everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are stepping outside the traditional and diving deep into the world of sleek lines, intentional spaces, and minimalist beauty. We're talking about modern garden design. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny urban courtyard, modern design principles can turn your outdoor area into a high-end sanctuary. Modern garden design is defined by its clean lines, structural focus, and a less is more philosophy. Unlike traditional gardens that might lean toward wild, overflowing flower beds and ornate decor, the modern aesthetic is all about geometry and organization. It treats the garden as an extension of the home's architecture, often using a controlled palette of materials like concrete, wood, and metal. The focus is on the relationship between negative space and structural elements, creating a landscape that feels orderly, sophisticated, and tranquil. It is essentially the art of using simplicity to create a powerful visual impact. The benefits of adopting a modern garden style go far beyond just looking cool. One of the primary advantages is low maintenance, because modern designs often prioritize hardscaping like paving, decking, and gravelland. Use a curated selection of hardy plants. You spend less time weeding and more time relaxing. Furthermore, modern gardens are incredible for mental clarity. The organized, uncluttered layout acts as a visual reset button for a busy mind. From a functional standpoint, these designs often improve property value because they provide a structured, finished look that appeals to contemporary buyers who value outdoor living rooms and entertaining spaces to make your modern garden look truly beautiful. Focus on the harmony between textures and lighting. Start by defining distinct rooms using different materials, such as a raised wooden deck for dining and a smooth stone patio for lounging. Use bold, geometric planters to add height and interest without cluttering the floor space. Incorporating a water feature with a simple overflow design can add a soothing auditory element that masks neighborhood noise. Don't forget about lighting. Recessed LED strips along walkways or spotlights hitting architectural plants can transform the garden into a magical high-end resort once the sun goes down. Balance the cold materials like concrete with warm accents, like outdoor rugs or wooden privacy screens to keep the space inviting. Choosing the right plants is crucial because, in a modern garden, the plants act as living sculptures. You want species with strong shapes and consistent colors. Ornamental grasses such as Mexican feathergrass or Japanese forest grass provide movement and texture while maintaining a clean look. Architectural plants like agave, yucca, or boxwood spheres offer the rigid structural forms that define this style. For a splash of color that doesn't feel chaotic, consider alliums or lavender, which provide beautiful hues within a very tidy silhouette. Bamboo or tall horsetail reeds are also excellent for creating living privacy walls that fit perfectly with a minimalist, contemporary vibe. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best modern garden design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the Minimalist Fire Pit Sanctuary. This design features a sunken concrete fire pit area surrounded by dark river stones and sleek white seating. The contrast between the warm flames and the cool-toned gravel creates a perfect evening ambience, while the built-in planters with structural succulents keep the look clean and intentional. 2. Geometric lawn framing with stone borders. In this layout, the grass is treated as a crisp green rug, perfectly bordered by white stone pavers. The surrounding beds are filled with a mix of evergreen shrubs and architectural palms, proving that you can have a lush feel while maintaining strict, modern boundaries. 3. The architectural courtyard with water feature. This idea focuses on an indoor-outdoor flow, featuring large glass walls that look out onto a minimalist stone fountain. Large rectangular stepping stones set into the grass lead the eye toward the water, while lush, broad-leafed plants provide a tropical yet structured backdrop. 4. Symmetry and topiary elegance. A classic take on modernism, this front yard uses perfectly manicured boxwood hedges and spiral topiaries to create a grand entrance. A central rectangular fountain acts as the focal point, balanced by a symmetrical stone path that screams luxury and precision. 5. Tiered wooden decking and succulent beds. This multi-level design uses warm wood decking to create a smooth transition from the house to the fire pit area. The use of weathered steel planters filled with architectural aloe and agave plants adds an industrial chic vibe that is both trendy and incredibly easy to maintain. 6. The floating Zen walkway, focusing on tranquility. This design features a light-colored wooden boardwalk that appears to float over a bed of soft mounded ground cover. The addition of slender, multi-stemmed trees creates a light canopy that offers shade without making the space feel closed in or messy. 7. Tropical modernism with checkerboard pavers. This design uses oversized square pavers interspersed with vibrant green grass to create a checkerboard path leading to a simple garden bench. Surrounded by tall palms and lush ferns, it feels like a private island retreat that has been carefully organized by a designer. 8. The vibrant perennial border and curving deck. Modern doesn't have to mean no flowers. This idea features a dark-stained curved deck that follows the line of a massive, colorful flower bed. By keeping the lawn a perfect circle and the deck lines clean, the explosion of floral color feels controlled and artistic rather than overgrown. Linear grasses and wooden plank accents. This ultra-modern look uses long, rectangular wooden planks set into a sea of short-cropped artificial turf. Rows of identical ornamental grasses create a repetitive, rhythmic pattern that is visually soothing and emphasizes the length of the property. 10. Reflective pool and tiered concrete planters. The ultimate in modern luxury, this backyard features a long, still reflecting pool surrounded by tiered concrete levels. Low-profile hedges and gravel beds keep the focus on the water and the architecture, creating a space that feels more like a modern art gallery than a backyard. Modern garden design is all about creating a space that reflects your personality through simplicity and structure. By focusing on quality over quantity and choosing the right architectural elements, you can create a backyard that is not only a joy to look at, but a peaceful place to live. It's time to stop seeing your garden as a chore and start seeing it as a design opportunity. If you found these modern garden ideas inspiring, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of the top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning to modernize your outdoor space.